Greek salad. Ingredients. Dressing. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1 garlic clove, minced. ½ teaspoon dried oregano, more for sprinkling. 1/4 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Freshly ground black pepper. For the salad. 1 English cucumber, cut lengthwise, seeded, and sliced 1/4 inch thick. 1 green bell pepper, chopped into 1-inch pieces. 2 cups halved cherry tomatoes. 5 ounces feta cheese, cut into ½ inch cubes. 1/3 cup thinly sliced red onion. 1/3 cup pitted Kalamata olives. 1/3 cup fresh mint leaves. Instructions. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, vinegar, garlic, oregano, mustard, salt, and several grinds of pepper. On a large platter, arrange the cucumber, green pepper, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, red onions, and olives. Drizzle with the dressing and very gently toss. Sprinkle with a few generous pinches of oregano and top with the mint leaves. Season to taste and serve.